Wairarapa TV local news for Tuesday the 7th of February. Wairarapa's Māori Health Service Whaiora is set to relocate to the old Masterton Cosmopolitan Club. Masterton Trust Lands Trust Chairperson Leanne Southey said the Trust was excited to be working on a new opportunity to accommodate an established community health provider, saying we are working closely with Whaiora on a plan to adapt the building for use by its staff and clients. Whaiora plan to relocate in August. Nearly 60,000 Kiwis were declined a first specialist assessment referral in 2015-16, according to the government's own figures, says Labour's health spokesperson Annette King. Ms King says Jonathan Coleman needs to accept the cut that his government has made of over $1.7 billion to health is making the work of our DHBs increasingly impossible. Figures provided for locals show just one person was denied in Wairarapa. Kira McAnulty has been confirmed as the Labour candidate in Wairarapa for this year's general election. At a meeting of local Labour Party members in Masterton on Saturday, McAnulty was selected to represent the party for the second time. He says, I'm excited by the opportunity to stand for Parliament again this year and appreciate the support of local members in allowing me to do so. And in sport, Greytown have celebrated their 150th anniversary weekend in style with a win over Lansdowne in the Challenge Cup, while Red Star outscored Hutt Cricket Academy. Sitting 183 for 8, they bowled out Hutts for 167. For local news and sports, good morning. I'm Brent Gare.